So hello guys, what's up? In this video I will tell you how can you write a program in Python to input area and length of rectangle and print its parameter. So first you have to take the input of area of rectangle. So I will initiate a variable named area equals to input, enter the area of rectangle. Now as we are taking the length, so I will write here length as variable name and take input of length in this. Enter the length of rectangle. Now what you have to do is we have to first find the value of breadth. So we will write here breadth equals to area upon length. So as area equals to L into B, so B equals to area upon L. So this is how it works. Now as we have to print the parameter, so we will write here perimeter equals to 2 into. So here we have to declare the star here. So this star will ensure the multiplication in Python. So as in simple mathematics, if we don't write here anything, it will be considered as multiplier, but not in Python. We have to consider it here as a star, and then what's the formula? The formula is 2 into L plus B. So I will write here 2 into length into plus breadth. So this will calculate the value of parameter and stored in the variable name parameter. So we will write here print parameter of rectangle equals to. Now it's time to run the program. So it is asking the value of area of rectangle. So I will enter the area as 20 and the length of rectangle is 4. So here is an error. What is that? Here I have write LENGT GST, which is not defined. So where it is? So here this is the error. So I have to write here TH. As I have declared the length, the spelling of length is LENGTH. So I have to use the same all where. So now I have to run the circling. Now the area of rectangle is 20 and the length of rectangle is 4. So you can see the value of parameter of rectangle is 18. You can check it is correct or not. So what I think is this is correct value. So I will also print here the value of breadth. So I will write here print the value of breadth is Now I have to enter the area of rectangle 20 and the length of rectangle is 4. So the value of breadth is 5. And the perimeter of rectangle is 18. So we can check it. So the formula of area of rectangle is length into breadth. So here the value of breadth is 5 and the length is 4. So 5 into 4 is 20. That's correct. And the perimeter equals to 2 into L plus B. So the value of length is 4 and the value of breadth is 5. So it is 9. And 9 into 2 is 18. So the perimeter of rectangle is also correct. So it is working well. Thank you.